Good morning. I was having some coffee on the lanai. Seen Miss Jackson out here. I know you've seen Mr. Jackson before on one of my videos. And how you know this is Miss Jackson is because she doesn't have the three horns coming out of the top of her head. Do you see her right there? They disguise themselves pretty darn well. Oops. Hi, Miss Jackson. Yes, you're very difficult to see. You're doing an excellent job. Come visit us on the Big Island. Come up to the volcano. In fact, this morning it's going off big time. Mahalo, my friends.